Today's video is: what is the benefits of squat exercise every day? Benefits of squats for men and women. Watch the video till the end. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today we are going to talk about the benefits of squat exercise every day. This type of exercise is great for a total lower body workout. Squat exercise effectively works most of the major muscle groups of the buttocks, hips and thighs. This type of exercise is a versatile exercise. Squat exercise can be done in almost any position, with or without the use of weights or equipment. So let's gather a little more information about the benefits of squat exercise every day. 1. Great for the legs. It is very important to do squat exercise to develop the legs. Squat exercise provides the benefits of a whole host when it comes to training to develop the legs. Squat exercise is very effective for you when it comes to working your lower body. Squat exercise helps build muscle in your legs. Squat exercise tones them and helps burn fat. Squat exercise makes them more powerful and makes them better in general. 2. Great for the butt. Squat exercise is now done regularly by many women as well as men to improve their body. This type of exercise is great for squat butts. Because of the basic body mechanics, you engage in squat exercise. Squatting helps target the gluteus maximus, which is the primary muscle group in your buttocks. This type of exercise requires you to have a round and well-shaped butt, as opposed to a flat and lifeless-looking butt. 3. Reduces the risk of injury. This type of exercise reduces the risk of injury. Squat exercise strengthens the muscles in your lower body, and by doing squat exercise you will be more able to perform full body movements with proper form, balance, mobility and posture. Doing squat exercises in your overall workout routine can also help strengthen your tendons, ligaments and bones, and can help reduce the risk of injury, according to the American Council on Exercise. 4. Increased muscle mass. Squat exercise is very useful for improving your muscle mass. This type of exercise is very easy to do. Squat exercise is a heavy combination exercise that hits several muscle groups at once. Squat exercise is also done to protect the largest muscles in your body. This type of exercise promotes an increase in the amount of testosterone and human growth hormone and secretion by the body. Squat exercise is the hormone androgenic and anabolic and plays a major role in the growth and development of muscle tissue. 5. Great for balance. Squat exercise is an effective exercise to improve your balance and coordination. This type of exercise is the most effective exercise when it comes to balancing your body. Squat exercise is very beneficial to keep your body well with a heavy barbell throughout the age. This type of exercise is useful for maintaining strong glute balance. Squat exercise can increase the strength and power of your legs. 6. Burn more fat. If you want to get your body in the right shape and tone up, you need to eat a treadmill and pay more attention to weight loss. Squat exercise has been found to be extremely effective in burning your body fat and calories. This type of exercise is physically demanding of the body externally. Doing squat exercise can help you burn more calories and lose more body fat. These types of exercises help boost your metabolism, and doing this type of exercise burns your body fat faster than usual. 7. Great for the posture. Doing squat exercise puts your body in the right posture and can increase your strength by effectively adjusting your back and spine. Poor posture of your body can put you in pain and can cause headaches, backaches and sore throats. So it is very useful for you to do these types of exercises. Squat exercise is very useful for combating any weak posture of your body. 8. Squats strengthen your core. Squat exercise team strengthen the core of your body. This type of exercise is very useful for maintaining the strong core muscles of your body. Doing daily movements such as bending, flexing and staying relaxed. A strong core through squat exercise can improve your balance and ease the pain in your back and also make it easier to maintain good posture. These types of exercises are useful for reducing the risk of injury and increasing athletic performance. 9. Strengthen your joints. Regular squat exercise helps a lot in strengthening your joints. These types of exercises can help you build and maintain your body's joint strength to stay active and overcome road problems. Doing squat exercise improves your bone density and keeps the muscles that live around your joints strong. Squat type exercises can be used to create and maintain joint health. 10. Increases flexibility. This type of exercise increases joint flexibility. The knees, hips and lower back are used for squat exercises. Squat exercise is very useful to avoid injury. If you feel any pain in these areas, you should stop doing squat exercise until the pain subsides. Squat exercise is very good for helping to improve one's memory. This type of exercise is an important part of keeping your body fit and capable.